Alrighty guys, we're here at the Central Tower, here at the Sheraton, here in Dallas. And these are the high-rise cars. We got 3 elevators here. $29 for 38. These ACP Westinghouse modern by Montgomery KONE. What have we waiting for a while? This is actually California button right there. Very busy. Waiting for these 3 elevators. An elevator for this long.
I don't know what happened. They were probably 7. So they weren't that great. Yeah. You know what? I mean, the real stuff. Like we just said bye to them. But we were like, they were like bye. We were like, okay, bye. You guys were like all huddled and like. Ed was the one searching. You guys were like this. Ed was the one searching for them. I just like leaning against the wall, like I'm ready to go eat food. Yeah, bro, we might be taking this seriously. So the 31 elevators work.
Westinghouse. Oh, locked. Locked. 38.
Yeah, you can fit in there.
Excuse me.
2.
Can you press 31? Oh, we're on 31 already.
So the pool. Wait in the pool. Yeah, 2 pools on 4. Going up?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Press
32?
Yep.
It's already on.
Uh-oh.
Somebody's trying to.
If I just stay here.
This is 4.
Somebody getting enough?
No.
No? Oh, okay. Somebody must have brushed it. No, look too That's fast.
Hey, Daddy, see you back there.
I know. But hiding back here.
I'm usually doing hiding because I'm
Yeah.
shorter, you know?
I really can't hide.
31, folks on 30?
Yeah, that's-
Okay.
It's me.
Alright.
Most of us is
I'll
sometimes.
just moonwalk my way on out.
And walk out.
Yeah.
Very impressive moonwalking.
Yeah. Happy students.
Almost missed the elevator.
You're on 38?
Yep.
32?
At 38.
Oh, you're 38?
Here we go.
It's going up.
It's quick.
Alright. 32.
32.
32.
I'm just doing a video of these elevators here.
Are you going down? Or?
I'm going up and then go back down.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We gotta stop at every floor now. This is 33. Not enough elevators for this part of the bank. It's only 38 floors.
What are you making your video for?
YouTube. A lot of people watch my elevator videos. So like, I know there's like a bunch of people who have been here, so here's 38.
All right, thank you.
No problem. Now we're all the way down the lobby. We're probably gonna stop a bunch. Watch. Let's do that. Yep.
Oh.
Anyone going down?
Yes, we're going down. If that's allowed. Thank you. We're gonna squish it with you. As much as you can, as many people as you can.
We need to get back up here in like 20 minutes for pre-con.
We waited for 20 minutes.
Yeah, we have to
Bye guys,
go all the way
sorry.
down. Yeah.
Love
Wow.
Oh, can you cross over onto
Yeah,
Okay.
so we're gonna cross over.
secrets that I'm beginning to learn about this hotel?
We're not gonna
with
go
the with the experts. So.
Hi.
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 Might be a comment on a current.
The kind of staying in the middle floor is
Yeah.
Oh, but there's not
Oh, good.
anything
Oh,
between 4 and
wonderful.
29, so that's good.
That is good.
What's that?
Hey.
Oh, for me! Look at this! Welcoming right here.
Sorry.
What's between 4 and 29?
I'm smacking you with my backpack. I'm so sorry.
Oh, wait,
Sorry.
no, there are sleeping rooms. It's just.
top at
Oh
31.
my God.
Oh, that's how you felt about me, huh?
No!
Sorry. So sorry, man. I
Yeah.
know.
Oh, so that was on armor thing.
Terrible.
And know what's crazy is all the
This part
people
I've been waiting for
upstairs
15
are
minutes just to get
filling
in the
all
car.
this when it goes back.
I heard all your disgruntledness when I was out there before it stopped.
No,
I'm like, oh my gosh.
Okay, like,
All right.
bypass 29 and 30, so we're straight shot down to 2.
until
Yeah,
4.
I was like,
of course.
woo!
Oh no, we need it.
Let me just push it for the heck of it. Just stop.
Everybody, and remember kids used to do that? That was like the fun thing to do.
Not right now.
That's totally
Who's getting off on 4?
I think it's someone trying to get on, is my guess.
We are
No
we are
one's
going
getting on
to
4.
And then I think you two are the one.
Let me press the open doors right now. Just say
one elevator. I'm gonna have to dump this and book it back because I've got to get all the way back up to 38.
You can grab
I'll grab
lunch.
I'll grab a bag of potato chips.
There's no 3, is there?
Probably by the time the next one gets down, just
Yeah.
yeah.
All right.
This is 2. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. For letting
Bye.
us crowd you.
Oh gosh. It's a good check at 3:38 again. Oh, that was weird. I'm going up. Going up? We have more room.
Going up? Do you need
Yeah,
help?
I'm going up.
Yes, go ahead.
At 33. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Sorry, seems probably could have took the stairs quicker.
Right?
I think there must be something wrong with those other two elevators. 'Cause this is the only one that's been up and down. It's not.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Hello.
Final.
Catch on the way back down. 38.
There, we're
I'm gonna like go,
Rolling right in there.
go hit the button on the way back.
Might as well just stay right out there.
Yeah, right.
You know.
32.
It's gonna be packed on the way down.
Yeah, well, at least it gets going.
33. Here's 33.
Thank you. Have a good day, guys.
You want to go up? To 30? Okay. I'm just doing a video of these elevators.
Oh, yeah.
Here we are at 38. Here's 38. Going all the way down. Now I can get camp view finally. These are nice elevators. Just, oh my gosh, this place is busy. I just knew we could stop at like 20 floors. Okay, now we can get the rest of the people in here.
Hello. Here we go. Yeah, we'll just come on in. We'll go.
Come on in, y'all.
Come on. We've at least 3 more people in. Anyone taking? One more? 3.
I'm going.
Okay. Hi guys. We're going. Okay, Lovey. Here we go.
But it must be the Allstate because it's the location was Rosemont. The location wasn't Chicago.
Oh,
So,
yeah, you-
whichever
United
one's in
Center-
Ros.
yeah.
Whichever one's
Although
in.
technically the airport is considered Chicago.
True.
They're really stretching that.
It's a full party in here.
We're going down.
Yeah, hopefully.
She was so confused. What's going on?
Did you wonder how long they've been waiting for
Sorry.
the
So unfortunate.
Sorry.
Yep. The
There's
door's
like
closed.
4 more people in the next one, so
Lovely.
yeah.
So hot.
Everyone's
Oh, my shoes.
If we weren't a million floors up, I would have taken. I know.
Sorry.
No.
No.
Happen at every
Sorry. Oh my gosh.
This can only happen one more time. There you go.
Yeah,
Two more. Oh,
yeah.
three more
Oh, right,
times.
'cause then you-
3 more times, and then it goes all the way down.
Okay, we got through 31.
Okay.
All right, now we're good. We're good.
We're good.
Hopefully nobody on the 4th floor.
The 3rd floor.
There is no 3rd floor,
Ooh.
I think.
I love those buildings that like the 13th floor doesn't exist.
Yeah. Or the rooms too. Like some hotels don't have a room 13.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I love it.
You're big enough for two?
Number 2. All right, we'll take it.
Yeah, we can do.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Bye-bye. Good?
Alrighty, I'm going down.
Oh, going down?
Yep.
You're on the mic this week.
Now we're off here. I got it. Yep. There we go. Yep.
There you go.
That was absolutely crazy. And there goes a horde of people going in the elevator. Insanely busy. There goes the elevator. Bang. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.